Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine taste better. First, serving wine at the correct temperature is crucial. Red wines typically shine between 60 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, while white wines are often best enjoyed chilled, around 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple adjustment can dramatically unlock the wine's intended flavors and aromas, making every sip more enjoyable and revealing its true character. Next, consider aeration. Letting your wine breathe, especially reds, can transform its profile. Decanting for 30 minutes to 1 hour allows the wine to open up, softening tannins and revealing more complex notes. If you're short on time, a quick swirl in your glass or using a dedicated aerator can achieve similar results, making the wine smoother and more expressive. The right glassware also plays a significant role. Different glass shapes are designed to direct aromas to your nose, enhancing the tasting experience. Furthermore, thoughtful food pairings can elevate both the meal and the wine. A well-matched pairing creates a harmonious balance, where each element complements the other, making the overall experience much more satisfying. Finally, proper storage and a few simple tricks can make a big difference. Store your bottles horizontally in a cool, dark place to keep the cork moist. For a high-alcohol wine, adding just a few drops of water can mellow its intensity and bring out subtle nuances. And remember, a good wine stopper will help preserve an open bottle for several days, ensuring continued enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.